Hello guys, as it is 2026 February 15th today, and wish you a Mahashivratri. And please tell how your Shivratri have been going. And today is my father's birthday too, and so I'm gonna show you that what did I gift him. So let me show. And I will show you one thing at the last, and that is also a special thing for me. So as we are continuing, I just went a little outside, and today was my father's birthday, and I will show you what I gifted him. So this is the card I have made for him, and here I used only paper. I just used paper and this rope, tape, newspaper, pen. This only. And see, I have make 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have make 6 hearts, and here I have decorated with newspapers to make it more aesthetic. And here I have make this 2026 February calendar in this heart shape, and in this 15th I have make a heart here. So, and here is written vintage birth, so I have did it in the vintage paper, that's why. And my father became 37 today, so here is written you became 37 today, and I wrote that happy birthday to my precious father. And here is written he was born on 15th February 1989, and I wrote special day for you, and I've decorated with this, and you can use it as a wall hanging, bookmark, and a card too. 3-in-1 paper use. And another thing, here's an envelope, and I will show you in the last how to make envelope. So let's open it. ASMR thing. So here we open it. Another envelope comes with a heart. Let's open it. This I will show you later. Here is a heart. Please wait. I have did a parcel in here. Let me see what's in there. The parcel type. So I will show you. So in this envelope, I packed this paper cuttings. I cut the papers and I made this parcel type because I don't have that tape kind of thing. That's why. So I used paper to make it. Dun, dun, dun. So we get in here, we get this note written by me in this vintage paper. I will show you later. I already told. And these are 2 hearts. I have make more hearts. Here is another heart. And these paper cuttings. Wait 1 minute. So here I have kept it. It is falling. Yeah. And here we gave this papers and all scribble, and this I gifted to my father. This envelope also envelope. In this envelope I gifted this another envelope. Then I gifted this, and I gifted my father this 3-in-1 card and this hearts in this envelope. This 3 hearts. Perfect. And here is 5 stickers made by me. Store stickers. So there is 5 stickers. Here is written, yeah, gift box, donut, this aesthetic, that type, leaves type. And I will show you 2 things extra special. Why I'm looking at up, you'll just know a little bit after. So here I give donut and all, and here is boba tea, and let me pack this also. And here are some envelopes. Wait. Here is one envelope. Here's one envelope. Then inside it, here is another envelope. Inside this, there is another envelope, and inside this, there is another envelope. And inside this, another, and no more. Let's see. There. So, did you count how many envelopes? Wait, let me count and tell you guys. So here is 5 envelopes in total. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was inside and inside, and now I have taken it out, so I will not keep it inside. It was just a mystery. So I will keep it inside. The vintage paper, the color is not too good because I just used not watercolors also. I used brush pens color, brown color, and dipped it in water. The brush pen, what it called, the color one. I dipped it in water and it became very dark, and I dipped it in and I waited for few hours, like that 12 hours I waited. After that it became like this. Wait. That is the surprise I'm looking up. So here I will open this right now. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Here's a note by me in this vintage paper. I am just a kid, so I'm just a child, so I didn't burn the sides, and I actually ripped off the edges. I didn't burn it. And here is balloons. In this big balloon, it is written happy birthday, and there is another balloon, and here is another balloon. Let us fold it again. Will not fit inside, so I need to fold one more. Now it fitted.
তুমি টিভি দেখছো মোবাইল?
Sorry for that. And my grandmother just came now. And seriously, I'm not watching mobile. I am making videos. So I packed it. And it just became like a squishy. And I'm packed it here. Okay, this was my gift, and let me show how to make this. So first, cut a big heart if you want to make big envelope, or cut a small heart if you want to make small envelope. So I have cut it this much. After cutting, fold it like this, then the side like this, then like this, and make like this, and this, fold it, and after folding it, open it. After opening, here inside there will be two papers in inside. So with the two papers, staple it or tape it, something, or glue it. and here also, in this side also glue it. Here I have staple it. The tape doesn't work. The tape does work, but I could not use the tape because my tape is too less. That's why I did here extra coating. I just used not like that. I just used 5 to 6 stripes. And here your envelope is done. And now I will put it inside this small envelope. Then so I kept it together. And now the main surprise. So I was looking up because there is a wall, and that is only the reason I was looking at it. And see here. Wait. See here. Sorry for the sound. How is the wall? So I have removed these stickers, and see here is we can see this, that we have removed the sticker. So I have removed the sticker, and this is the horrible drawing ever made by me. So I tried to make this like I will color the buildings black and make this purple and black like this, and I'll make the mixture, but I forgot to make, and it happened like this. So, and here I used paper and clay to make a flower because it was not sticking only. And here I have give the YouTube and this butterfly sticker, popcorn sticker, and the 2 heart. And this is the horrible means horrible textured art. It fall down. See, it is falling down because I didn't glue it. Because I didn't have glue only, and if I tape it, it would just move. Okay, so it became like this. I don't know how to fix this. Okay, so it would fall again. I know that. And here I am making some designs because I did not have more tissues. And here I use tissues and I make a heart with it. And I make a boho art too. And here I've used ice cream stickers, a book sticker, and here I didn't do art. I just stick the stickers to the wall because it was looking just empty. There's success, then pencil case, then cake, like that. And this is just horrible. I didn't have much tissues, so I didn't cover up this, and it falling down. Can just see this. It just fall down. It could not happen. Okay, Let it be and see. So I'm going to throw this. See, falling only. See. Okay, so I don't know what to do with it, and I will store it. Let it be like this only, and it would look more beautiful like this only. Because here I would use color then. Here I will use tissue, and here I will use color. And like this, I didn't do color combination. Here I make a heart, and this is the background. And let's not waste time with it. And how was my wall looking? And this is the most horrible. And I will just use this color, and this would not be like this. And we fix this a little bit. Okay, so another surprise is I just make this bed like a trampoline. My bed was very hard, so I have a trampoline bed. I have a trampoline bed, and this bed was very hard, and I have two beds, and I have two bedrooms and two beds, and here it was hard, so they added like that sleepy head trampoline texture they added, and it is too soft now. I could just jump, but I would not jump here. It is too soft. I was just sleeping over here. I could just sleep and vlog, but I am sitting and doing, and what to show, nothing else to show. And I will come with more videos, so please make it 103 again. Please make it 103 again from 101. So bye bye.